Hello again from Chic Spaces. With a new 3 BHK home interiors in a new community called Aquantis, we are back again. The most interesting aspect of this home interiors is this fall ceiling designs. The small profile light patches with the grooves in it gives you a fox impression of the magnetic track lights. Master bedroom has got the long profile handled wardrobe shutters, and the long handles in the other two bedrooms adds beauty to the whole house. My favorite part of the house is definitely the kitchen with the quartz countertop. What is yours? Please watch the entire video and leave in comments about your favorite chic space. Thank you.